Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set app permissions to ask every time. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So what you're going to do here is you have to look for that specific application. So you have to go to your settings and go to app, scroll down and tap apps or app management. And then from the list, you have to choose the specific application you want to change permission. So let's just say for the application. So let's just say the application Google Meet, you have to click permissions and then go on to, for example, camera. Once you tap this camera right here, you have your options, and all you have to do is to click this ask every time. So whenever you open your Google Meet, it will not just open your camera immediately. So it will ask for your permission first before you can use camera. And that's how easy it is. So you can just basically look again for another application and then again look for permissions. Look for something like location, camera, and then always select the ask every time here. So basically, you can choose the option for camera, location, microphone, and so on. So that's how easy it is to set app permissions to ask every time. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.